Hi everyone, look what's here. Today is Monday, July 19th. It's right on time. I got this today. That's about when I usually get it. So, and this particular one is called The Adventure Begins. It's the July paper pumpkin box. So let's see what we have. I think I am not going to do a make as intended right now. This will just be a opening with you. And then in the next few days I'll come back and do make as intended plus alternatives, maybe 2 separate videos. So we have a garden green Stampin' Spot, that's different. And let's see if I have a piece of paper here that will allow us to see. That's probably too dark. Maybe Blushing Bride, that might work. There we go. So, oh, we have trees. Sort of whimsical, almost like the Wonder and Whimsy. But it says, the world awaits you. Let your light shine. Let the adventure begin. Explore. Congrats. Little dots, little dashes, actually. A couple tiny little butterflies in 2 different sizes. Yeah, nice sentiments. Not something I generally use a lot, though. This is about the next box. It's called the Hope Box. If you are interested, Miss Shelley here, who is the co-founder of Stampin' Up, helped create this box. It's a pretty one too. And you can order yours through the 10th of August or keep your subscription active if you're already subscribed in order to get this. And I have more information about this on my Facebook group and my Facebook business page. Both start with Deb House Crafty Cottage. One says group at the end and the other says comma independent Stampin' Up demonstrator at the end. So you can go look for my picture and link post for those, and I give the details of what's supposed to be included in that one. And here we go. So let's see. Ooh, pretty colors I like there. Hang on. Get rid of the box. Oops, sorry. I knocked my light. I'm loving the color combination there. Almost looks oceanic. To be honest, I wasn't real sure if I'd like this one. Because I thought, you know, it's going to have to do with camping or whatever. I don't know, it might still, but I love the colors of the cards and things, so, and envelopes so far, so I am happy that I got this. It's a pleasant surprise. Oh, look at that. They're gorgeous. They are gorgeous. I am so happy I got this. I truly am. Look at these envelopes here. The little lantern with the butterflies, and I guess those little things there are actually pine branches, and then there's some trees here and a camper with forests and trees. I'm looking forward to this, so let's open up more of it. Here are the envelopes, and instead of being decorated on the inside, they are very decorative on the outside. You've got stars. You go from pale greens to darker, to like bluish, the blue-green, the teals, darker greens, and almost like a misty moonlight here. In fact, does it tell me the coordinated colors? Yes. Bermuda Bay, crushed curry, I don't see that quite on here. Early espresso, not seeing that yet. That's probably in the trees. Flirty flamingo, I'm not seeing that yet either. Garden green, I'm sure that's like this one. Granny apple green. Mango melody, night of navy is probably in here. Blended. And whisper white. I think there's, and Bermuda Bay is like this teal blue, green blue. Beautiful, beautiful colors. All right, so of course we have some, oh look, and they're fun folds, I think. They're fun folds, guys, or something. Am I not seeing this right? No, they are. Look at this. Oh my goodness. They're fun folds. I'll have to look at the instructions. Oh my goodness. Yes, they are fun folds. Who would have thought? Oh my goodness. I'm truly pleasantly surprised with this kit. I really wasn't sure about it when I ordered, well, I'm on a year subscription. All right, so there are 4 of those. And are they all fun folds? Yep, these are also a fun fold. Oh, how pretty. I may even have trouble doing alternatives with this one. Just, I mean, I could, but I think I'm going to really like these as they are. So pretty. Alright, and then we have some just white labels, circles, and wider strips for sentiments, because there are some long sentiments. And here we have some trees attached to a white strip. In like Bermuda Bay and in sort of a granny apple green, and that appears to be it for those. And there's 4 of each of those, and then those, and the 4, 8, 12. This makes 12 cards. So yeah, 4, 8, and 12. Oops. The lantern thing just came, the outline of the lantern just came off. Oh, okay, that pops off. This folds over. And there's some pieces in here that pop out. So you can see through it and it looks like a lantern. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. I really am loving these images. They're gorgeous. You could use this as an extra piece to stamp a sentiment or something on. So I'll be saving those pieces. Anyway, so that's going to be true with the camper as well as the trees here. These are gorgeous. I'm just amazed. And the envelopes are gorgeous. Look at that. And if you wanted to take the envelopes apart, although I'm not sure I'm going to be able to, because they're all so pretty, you could just use this as a card front and, either put a picture or stamp something there. Anyway, gorgeous. Really pretty. And then let's see what's in here. We have some sequins and glue dots and dimensionals. So here's your glue dots, your full-size dimensionals, and your sequins, and I think they're in like a pool party, and I want to say Calypso Coral, but it might be crushed. It looks more Calypso Coral-y to me. I don't know, or Mango Melody maybe. Mango Melody, probably. And the blue probably supposed to go with Bermuda Bay, but they look iridescent, actually. They look like a pale blue iridescent. Really pretty. Very happy with this kit. Very happy with it. Very surprised. I think this is like my favorite color combos ever in a kit. I mean, look. How pretty is that? Oh my goodness. I did not expect fun folds. I did not expect it to be so pretty. I really didn't. And colorful instructions too. So I will come back and we'll make one of each of the 3 as intended, and then I'll have to decide. But that will be in a few days probably, and at the same time, like back to back, I'll have some alternatives. So probably 3 days-ish, something like that. Let me see the time. Yeah, probably sometime Thursday or possibly Friday this week. I'll do that because I have some things going on tomorrow. I have to leave the house for a while, and Wednesday's my live, so I always have to prepare for that. So it'll be Thursday or Friday by the time I can get to this for you. So sorry about that. I just don't have time today even to do make as intended. But I don't think it would take terribly long. So if you're interested in paper pumpkin, there's always a link probably about 2/3 of the way down in my description. It says if you would like paper pumpkin subscription, click the link here. That should take you to sign up with me as your demonstrator. And in the United States, currently it is $22 a month plus tax. Their shipping is included in the month-to-month subscription at this time anyway. So as far as I know, you know, it's going to be, but we'll see. Prices are going up everywhere on everything, guys, so we'll see what happens. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.